When a committed, loving couple in Louisiana went to a justice of the peace and asked him to marry them, they were stunned to be told no. Tonight, as we hear from NBC's Ron Mott, there are some who say the justice committed an injustice and should lose his job.
And I was shocked. I was just completely shocked.
Before Beth and Terrence McKay said their I do's last week, the wife of a Tangipahoa Parish Justice of the Peace in Louisiana, speaking on her husband's behalf, allegedly told them, "We don't perform interracial weddings, that is."
I wasn't going to argue with her. I just said, okay, so do you know someone who will? And she said that I was going to have to go to another parish.
Before she did, Beth McKay says she placed another painful call to her fiancé to break the news.
I want to know what's wrong, and she said, and she explained to me what happened, and I was like, the first thing that hit my mind, I was like, are you serious? He said he was not marry us because we're an interracial couple.
The justice, Keith Bardwell, declined to speak with NBC News today, though he told the Associated Press, quote, "I am not a racist," and expressed concern for the couple's potential children, saying, quote, "I think those children suffer, and I can't help put them through it."
It's an appalling violation of the rights of people to marry the person they choose to marry.
But the justice's refusal to marry them doesn't appear to be against Louisiana law. The state's attorney general's office issued a statement late today saying in part that the law, quote, authorizes but does not mandate a justice of the peace to perform a marriage. Interracial marriages won constitutional protection in the landmark 1967 case Loving versus the Commonwealth of Virginia. And the McKays argue with America electing a biracial president some 4 decades later, the time is now for full acceptance of such relationships.
We're supposed to be beyond that.
The couple eventually turned to another justice who performed their ceremony.
I believe that love is, the number one reason why people should get married. And if a couple loves each other, race is second, third, or fourth dairy.
A whirlwind week since the groom was finally told to kiss his bride. Ron Mott, NBC News, Atlanta.